how to delete adapt sound profile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. So you will see sound and vibration is here. So click on sound and vibration. Now here, so click on scroll down sound quality and effects. So after click on sound quality and effects, so click on adapt sound. So after click on adapt sound, so if you want to delete adapt sound profile, so now here showing you my sound. So you will click on my sound. So after click on my sound, so now here showing you delete. So click on delete. So after click on delete, you will see your my sound profile is delete. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can delete adapt sound profile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.